I used to believe that increasing pull-up reps and making them look effortless was completely impossible for me. But what if I told you that getting better at pull-ups does not require strength? To make your pull-ups stronger, you only need about 40% strength, but the remaining 60% is what no one is telling you to train, and that's the pull-up technique. In this video, I'll be revealing all those pull-up techniques that everyone on the internet is using to make their pull-ups look easy, except you. And once you apply them yourself, I promise, it will change your pull-ups forever. Starting with the most common yet most ignored technique that allows you to break gravity and pull much higher. Most people think it's cheating, but it's not. I'm talking about controlled swinging. Before starting a pull-up, add a small intentional swing. This lets you time the pull perfectly, making even muscle-ups feel easy, and not just muscle-ups, planche, front lever, handstand. Every skill becomes easier when you understand the right techniques and hidden principles behind them. So if you don't want to waste years like most beginners, check out the book, I promise. It will completely change your strength. But the truth is, even if you master the swing, without the next two techniques, your pull-ups won't improve much. So now it's time for the second technique, the one you see all over the internet. The false grip, a grip that lets you pull extremely high with much less effort, helping you increase your pull-up reps fast. Just make sure your grip doesn't slip back to normal. Maintain the false grip on every single rep. Now comes the last and most powerful technique. Listen carefully, this one lets you do high reps without fatiguing too early. I'm talking about breathing control. It helps runners run longer, sprinters sprint faster, and even it will help you hit that insane number of pull-up reps you've been dreaming of. But this doesn't end here. There are some more techniques and pull-ups you need to make sure to apply for increasing your pull-up strength instantly.